Today, we're going to see how to fix the Roblox age verification not working issue. The first thing we're going to do is open our browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. We're going to scroll down and select the option that says Settings. Once inside, we'll go to Privacy and Security and then click on Third-Party Cookies. When you're here, click on All Sites, and then in the search bar at the top, type Roblox. Click on the trash can icon that appears on the right side. And this will clear the Roblox cache. The next thing we're going to do is clear the cache on our computer. We'll go back to the home screen, and in the search bar, we'll click on Run. Then press Enter. In this small window, we're going to type this command, %temp%, and then click OK. This will open a folder that contains your computer's cache. Once you've deleted everything in this folder, go back to Roblox and try the age verification again. You should now be able to complete it without any issues, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it helped you, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. See you in the next video.